Let's see how to use Excel glossary in a Trados project. In the RWS App Store now, if you type term E or term EX, you will find the plugin. So just you have to, after you should be logged in, after that you have to click that download button, or you can click that install button. So it will start downloading. We have to restart the Trados. After the plugin is installed, we have to restart. So now let's see how to use this plugin in the Trados project. So now you can see a sample project opened in Trados. So I'm going to project settings and I'm going to Termbase setting. Below the TM setting there is so you can see the TM setting. Here I'm browsing to Termbase, and as I install the plugin, you can see the fourth option, Termexcelerator. So this plugin is used for mainly using a Excel glossary as a Termbase in a Trados project. So you can avoid the complexity of multi-term. So I am selecting the source and target language, and I am browsing to the glossary, the Excel glossary file. So here this sample.xls is the sample glossary file. So I have checked has header at the first and I have browsed and I am submitting. Okay, so it is added now. The Excel glossary is added as a Termbase now. Okay, I am giving OK. So I am going to open the project, open for translation. Now you can see that the results are visible, the glossary terms are visible in the term recognition window. So for example, I had already added the word name, nom in French in the Excel glossary, and for my I have added mo in French. So you can see those terms are listed here. Okay, so you can, in the source side, you can also see the inverted red color highlight over the glossary term. So if a term is present in the source side, it will be shown by a red color highlight. And now we are seeing the term search, that is to search a particular term in the Excel glossary. Okay.